morning, all y'all. Howdy, howdy, as I say. I am at one of my most favorite spots to be, most any time of day, morning or evening. It's just a beautiful, beautiful place. Come here in the winter. If you've watched very many of my videos, you've seen me here because I really, really like it here. It's just full of beauty, full of wildlife, and the fall is just really a pretty time of year. So what I plan for today is I'm gonna walk through my favorite spot. Oh, we've got a rabbit over here. Wonder if I can get over here and take a picture of him. Whoop, 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 there he is. See him? See him in there? Yeah, there he is. Let's zoom in on him. Let's zoom in on the rabbit. Well, it's Bugs Bunny. Look at that, would you? So I'm going to take a little walk through here. I could just do my whole little walk with you guys right here and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful scenery. Look at this. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Just the fall. You know, some of the leaves are starting to turn a little bit. Just couldn't ask for nicer. It's a little chilly. I got my jacket on. It's just gorgeous out here. Wow. I don't even know how to vlog. I just really don't, people. So that's what I'm trying to do. It's not really working for me. But here I am. Beautiful morning. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Out for a morning walk. Enjoying the great outdoors. Just a beautiful place. Still getting used to the new camera. Coming up here, a guy that's fishing. You know, I've seen people fish here a lot. I've never seen them catching fish. I've seen fish in there, so I think they're just little ones that they throw back. But, you know, it's fun. It's not about catching fish, it's about coming and enjoying the outdoors and fishing.